morning.
It's true, it's true. But if I myself tracing your footsteps, I cannot.
Okay, go toilet. Go toilet then.
Help it. You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. Every little thing makes me think of you and want you every night. Oh, is this normal? Are these feelings real? Oh, I cannot help it. Don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. Don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night.
In the morning at 6:30, I usually wake up to work out. I've been doing this for the past week successfully. I've been doing it every day for the past week, so I'm gonna keep going. But yeah, I just like to start off my day by working out because it just wakes me up. When I come home from work, I'm usually very tired, so I just work out in the morning just to get it over and done with, so I don't have to work out at night when I'm really tired. So yeah.
I love you!
Where? Show me. Where is the love? I can't see it. I can't touch it. I can't feel it. I can hear it.
So I decided to go for a dress instead. It's really hot today and I want to keep
Too late.
cool. So I'm gonna wear a dress.
Done.
So we are gonna get ready. I've just washed my face and then now I'm gonna use the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. I've been using this for years and it's so good on my skin. I always use a sunscreen. This is the Makeup Cosmetica SPF 30 facial sunscreen. I haven't had my coffee. So even when it's not raining, I always put sunscreen on because, I mean, even if it's raining, I always put sunscreen on because the weather in Auckland changes a lot, so I always make sure to put sunscreen on, especially now because it's winter. I mean, summer. Man, I cannot talk. I'm still half asleep. I need my coffee now. I'm gonna start with the brows. I don't have any particular order, so I'll do the brows. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I don't draw on my brows, I just kind of shape them with this gel thing. Mascara, whatever it's called. This is a concealer that I recently got from the Body Shop. It is so good, and I just use my fingers because I don't have a brush. I don't have a concealer brush, but I just use my fingers, and I think it just works as fine as well as the brush. And I just cover my dark circles. So I don't usually put a lot of makeup on. I just put enough just to make sure that I look presentable and I don't look dead or tired. So concealer, bronzer, brows, a bit of eyeshadow, and that's it. And with an eyeshadow brush, I also use the bronzer as eyeshadow. I just want some color in my eyes. And then I curl my lashes, but I don't put any mascara. What is it called? I don't put any mascara on. See, I don't know much about makeup, but I don't put a mascara on. I just curl my lashes. I spray my face. I'm running out of the Mario Badescu facial spray. I love this stuff so much, but I'm running out. It smells so good.
You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. I wanted to forget about you. It's true, oh it's true. But I found myself tracing your footsteps. Oh I cannot help it. You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. Every little thing makes me think of you and want you every night. Oh, is this normal? Are these feelings real? Oh, I cannot help it. But don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. Don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. But don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. Doesn't matter where you are, everything will be okay very soon. You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. I wanted to forget about you. It's true, oh it's true.